You have probably seen this bell-shaped curve before in finance. It is called a normal distribution, and it helps investors understand risk and probability. It is often referred to as a bell curve because of its distinct shape, where most data points cluster around the center average. Statistically, 68% of all outcomes in a normal distribution fall within one standard deviation of the mean center point. The curve is perfectly symmetrical, meaning the average and the middle value are the same. These properties define how we model market volatility. While textbooks love the perfect normal distribution, real financial markets often experience fat tails, meaning extreme events happen more often than the model predicts. This graph shows the probability density. The further you move from the center, the lower the chance of that specific outcome occurring. Remember that statistics are just tools for estimation. Markets are driven by human behavior, which does not always follow a mathematical script. Understanding probability is key to managing risk. Subscribe for more finance basics and keep learning about how the market works.